If you're one of those people who think dropshipping is oversaturated or generally you think it doesn't work for you, then today's the day we're going to prove you wrong and teach you exactly how to go about it to make it work for you. Now, before I get into this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for your own benefit, as we have formed a whole company focusing on making other people successful. So first of all, you need to think like this. Instead of thinking it's saturated, you need to realize that other people think that, and that leaves more money for you, because really it has nothing to do with saturation at all, and really has everything to do with your technique, your plan, the way you go about it, and the factor if you're going to give up or find the actual way that it's going to work for you, which is exactly what this video is for. Secondly, saying dropshipping is saturated is literally the same exact thing as saying everyone in the world stopped wanting every single thing at the exact same time, and that's literally impossible. All you got to do is get yourself in the right place with the right tactics and do the things that are going to work for you best. Because think, if you find a product that is saturated, obviously it's not going to work for you, and dropshipping is going to seem like a saturated thing to do when it's not going to work for you. But if you take your time to find the right product, then that's when you're actually going to get sales and it's going to work for you. Now, a lot of people will also think, how am I supposed to beat out a big company like Amazon that, one, is so well known, two, can get your package out in the matter of like 2 days, and three, you're also competing with a website that you just made. But that's not how advertising works, because if you figured out the right words and how to target those right words to the right people, then you're slowly going to learn over time, how to get people to click your purchase button. For example, if I brought out the unfortunate concern about how dogs get hit by cars or how many dogs get hit by vehicles, but then at the same time offered a light up dog collar to buy with it, if I figured out how to target that to dog owners, I'm obviously going to get a lot of traffic, because then I now made that personal to them. Now, another reason that people are going to fail is simply because the quality of work. For example, why is someone going to buy a shirt that has a quote that everyone's heard on it compared to a shirt that has something unique and powerful on it, and as well has 8 of the new trending things built into it? So this is why it's really important to check on Amazon and different websites to make sure that you're beating out your competition, because this is how you're going to build a standout brand that builds a lot of traffic. Now also think about it. If you have a website with a weak landing page, you're going to blow off half your sales right there, right off the bat. But if you have a unique landing page that stands out and you also include a button that leads you right to your sale, you're already doing half of the process for people right then and there. And at the same time, you're making people more than likely to actually purchase it. Another thing that people tend to think is that you're scamming people compared to companies with better services like Amazon that could get your package in 2 days. But really, you're getting products to people that they wouldn't have seen without your advertisement, so this really doesn't matter. You're not scamming people. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you need more help, feel free to DM us on Instagram, and we'll help and get back to you and work one-on-one with you to help expand your business.